In this video, we will discuss about mammary glands, which are milk producing modified sweat glands. Where they occur? They occur inside two rounded thoracic prominences called breast, and each breast has a broad multiporous erectile tip called nipple. For what this structure is here? For release of milk. And at the base of nipple there is a circular pigmented area. It is called areola. Okay, what it consists of? What it possesses? It possesses circular muscles, nerve endings, and sebaceous or areolar gland. Each breast from inside. Each breast is divided into 15 to 20 glandular lobes. This yellow structure is showing the glandular lobes. How many glandular lobes are present in each breast? 15 to 20. And how they are separated from one another? So glandular lobes are separated from one another by connective tissue, dense or fibrous connective tissue, and adipose tissue. This red structure is showing adipose tissue. So some adipose tissues, they are also present here along with connective tissue. So adipose tissue and connective tissue, that is separating the glandular lobes from one another, and some amount of adipose tissue that also present below the skin of breast. And each lobe is further divided into lobules, and inside the lobules there is presence of special structure, that is glandular or secretory alveoli. These structures, they are showing the alveoli and cells of alveoli. Alveoli has a structure like this, that it is the alveoli. These are the cells which produce milk. Okay, so milk is formed by cells of alveoli, which is stored in the cavity. It is the lumen or cavity of alveoli. So cells of alveoli, they produce milk, and where it is stored in the cavities or lumen of alveoli. Then alveoli, they open into mammary duct, and okay, this structure is where it is opening into mammary duct, and this structure is called mammary tubule. So cells, they secrete milk, and then milk is poured into lumen of alveoli, and alveoli that open into mammary tubule. This structure is mammary tubule, and mammary tubule that open into mammary ducts. Okay, here these are the alveoli, these are mammary tubule, and it is the mammary duct. Then mammary duct at the base, it forms a broad, this swelling here, this swollen structure, that is called ampulla. Okay, so mammary duct form a broad mammary ampulla. Another name for ampulla, that is lactiferous sinus. And what function it will perform? Storage of milk. Then from this ampulla, okay, from ampulla, suppose it is a ampulla, and there is generation of lactiferous duct from this lactiferous sinus or mammary ampulla. This duct is called lactiferous duct. Okay, it is the lactiferous duct. So from where it is generating lactiferous duct, it develops from mammary ampulla. This structure is mammary ampulla or lactiferous sinus. From here lactiferous duct that develop, and various lactiferous duct, 1, 2, 3, so many lactiferous duct. They open at the nipple by separate pores. And what is the size of pore? Each about 0.5 mm in diameter. And functioning of this mammary gland is related to age and physiological state of a female. When milk secretion occurs inside mammary gland, so it occurs only after parturition, after baby birth. It is stimulated by which hormone? So it is stimulated by prolactin hormone, and prolactin hormone is secreted by anterior lobe of pituitary gland, as you studied in class 11. How the milk that comes out from the mammary gland, that is because of this milk ejection or coming out of milk from mammary gland, that is helped by or that is under the control of another hormone, that is oxytocin. So two hormones, they are playing important role. One that is playing role in milk formation, name of that is prolactin, okay, and milk ejection, that how the milk that move out from the mammary gland, that is oxytocin, okay. And it is secreted by, oxytocin is secreted by posterior lobe of pituitary gland, while the prolactin, that is secreted by anterior lobe of pituitary gland. And first milk after baby birth, after parturition, the first milk, that is called colostrum, okay. Milk contains, this first milk or the milk which comes out after parturition, what it consists of? It contains fat, protein, that is casein, lactose, which is a milk sugar, mineral salt, vitamins, antibodies. Which thing is in less quantity, or it is poorer in which content? That is iron. And vitamin C is also present in milk, that is present in small quantity. And how much milk is produced by mammary gland in a day? So lactating mother, okay, mother who is feeding her baby, that secretes 1 to 2 liters of milk per day. Okay, so important points. Again, I am repeating. Mammary gland, that is a milk producing modified sweat gland. It is present inside breast, and each breast has near its middle a multiporous erectile tip called nipple, which is surrounded by circular pigmented area called areola, and each breast from inside it is divided into 15 to 20 glandular lobes. Each lobe is separated from one another with the help of connective and adipose tissue. Each lobe is made up of number of lobules, and inside the lobules alveoli are there which produce milk. Cells of alveoli that produce milk and that get stored in the lumen of alveoli. Milk follows the passage, like it is secreted by alveoli, it is formed by alveoli. Then from alveoli, with the help of mammary tubules, it get into mammary ducts, and then mammary ducts into mammary ampulla, and from mammary ampulla through lactiferous duct it opens outside with the help of pores which are present in erectile tip, that is nipple.